Welcome back, everybody, to part 3 as I attempt to get the master set of the Civil Draft trading card game. I did a recount, and I'm about 21 cards short. Now, I might be wrong. I just made the assumption that every uncommon, blueprint, and rare has a non-foil and a foil variant. And if I'm incorrect, please let me know in the comments. But there's been some cards like, for example, Matt the Destroyer of Architects, that I've only ever seen it in foil. So, and this one right here was a promo like pack through like pre-ordering the set. So I don't know. I don't know if they ever come in non-foil variants, but it's safe to say that I probably won't get the master set. Right now, I'm like 21 cards short, so we'll see how far I get, and maybe I'll just have to either buy or trade some singles. Beaver Engineer, have him. Matte Foil Blueprint, have him as well. Nothing in here. In total, I think I did my initial pre-order, which was, I think, a total of like 4 booster packs and 2 starter decks. And then I got 4 additional booster boxes. And nothing. Haven't gotten anything on this one either. Nothing that I need. Okay. That's 2 packs down. It's like once you get so far, it's just really hard to pull the few things you're missing. Oh, yes. Yes. I've been wanting this one so bad. Let's see. Here he is. Editor Cole. Let's just put him in right now. So with that, I've got every editor card except the foil editor Schmeichel. I thought for sure I'd get editor Schmeichel before Cole. Brave Engineer, Patty Regular. I also need this one. Let's go here. Patty. Oh wait, Patty Regular is the one that I have. What I'm missing is the foil one. Okay. Got him. Mega Dam. Yes, the regular ones. I've only got the blueprint ones. Right here. And Architect Slayer Blueprint Non-Hollow. I have that one already. We're just going to put him in right where he belongs. So far in this booster box, I think that's 2 pulls. 2 pulls that I needed. And if you see anything that you need, if you have something I need, I'm down to trade too. Look at that. I was so worried about getting this card, and now I got a second one. Super Uber Mega Uber Dam. I don't know if what I'm missing is the foil. Thumbnail Artist Carl. That's such a cool card. It's one of those things where, like, the cards seem to be pretty consistently pulled, but it's just kind of like some people get a lot of one thing from what I've seen in videos, and other people, what the hell? Is this a God pack? Why is it all red like that? What in the hell? What is that? Are you seeing this? Well, I needed that one. pretty sure I need that one. Yeah? Okay, so 2 commons. Foil the Beevils. Foil Megadam. Foil Beaver Engineer. And regular, you know, I don't have this Editor Cole in Editor Bird in foil either. Well, that is a weird pack. Good thing I got that on video. Well, now I got all the Beevils. Oh, yes. Yes. I was hoping to get this one. Oh, I was worried I wouldn't. The golden hard hat. Look at that. In foil. In foil. Can't forget that. I'm just going to put him right in this spot. Okay. Editor Bird. British Matte. Okay. Well, I did get a few pulls. I'm probably going to be, I don't know, roughly 15, 16 cards short. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Another one? What luck is that? I don't see it. And then last 2 packs, I get 2 of them. Brave Engineer. Foil Blueprint. Is this the one I'm missing? Yes, it is. Well, considering how far I'm at, that's a pretty decent box. Alright, let's count them up. So I'm missing foil version of this patty. I'm missing the foil version of this Editor Cole right here. Not Cole, sorry, Bird. Editor Bird foil. I'm missing the foil version of Doris. Foil version of Editor Schmeichel. The foil version of Super Ooper Mega Uberdam. Missing the non-foil version of Megadam. Missing regular and foil version of Rodnado. Non-foil blueprint of Engitopia and foil version of Engitopia. I'm missing foil version of the Shaft. And then here, I don't even remember what's here. Maybe I am missing. Maybe I don't have every single card. 62. Whatever 63 is, I'm missing both versions of it. Well, damn. I thought I had them all. I'll have to look that up. I'm missing non-foil version of Editing Basement. I assume there's a non-foil version of Matt the Destroyer of Architects. A non-foil version of Architect Slayer. And a non-foil version of Matt and Patty. In total, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 cards. Well, let me know if you have any of them. Thank you. See you guys later.